In this video, we are going to solve a common problem on array where you have given an array like this and in which we have multiple duplicates, and you need to remove these duplicates and you need to return an array where we don't have any duplicates. So the first approach to do this, you can create an empty array and then start filling with the values from the filled array. And before filling, check whether the current value already exists in that new array or not. But Python provides us a one-line solution for this problem. Like, you can typecast this list into set. Set is an inbuilt data type in Python which automatically ignores the duplicates. So you need to write set and within parentheses you need to pass the list, that is A. And this line will automatically remove all the duplicates. And then again typecast it into list like this. And then print it. So it has successfully removed all the duplicates.